Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're all having an absolutely amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can extract your answers from a Google form that you have created. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am logged into my tutorial account on Google and I have gone into Google Forms. You can do this by clicking on the menu button of the 9 dots in a grid pattern, and if you scroll all the way down in the bottom left, you will see the forms icon. Just click on that and you'll be taken to this screen. If you have created a form previously, which you should have, you will see them listed here, as you can see under recent forms. And to actually extract your answers, what that means is when people have actually answered your form, you will be able to download them as a .csv file, which is a file format for data and data storing in the form of tables in Excel, if I remember correctly. But yeah, without further ado, this is how you do it. Once you find your form that you want to extract the answers of, just click on it and you'll be taken to the form editing screen. Here you can edit the file name, you can edit the title, you can edit the questions, you can add new questions, and so on and so forth. You can do whatever you did when you were creating the form. And to actually download the answers, what you need to do is go into responses, and here you will see all the data and all the information about the responses that have been entered, which questions were answered how and by how many people, and so on and so forth. And if you would like to actually download this as a CSV file, just here in the top right, click on the 3 dots, open the drop down menu and click download responses in CSV format. Clicking that will download the file and you will have them on your PC. And yeah, that's been it. I hope you enjoyed and I'll be seeing you next time.